the 07K, right?
Yes, sir.
God dang, what the hell?
It's on fire.
More water, 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 water.
What's up guys, Dion here with Toyo Tires. We're back at Nelson's Landing to do our post-SEMA shoot. So if you weren't invited, hopefully you can be here next year. But this is why you want to rock Toyo Tires, because we do cool shit. Censor that.
We're going to try and make this as smooth as possible. We're going to stage these cars in different areas around to be shot by Crispy here.
Gonna do a little behind the scenes of our shoot. Oh, I'm gonna get run over by a camera truck here. Sorry. Sick. This place is called Nelson's Landing. It's actually open to the public. You just gotta pay a fee. But I rent it out for this whole big film thing we do after SEMA. So we bring all our Toyo cars, a couple of guest cars, random SEMA cars, like this right here. This isn't necessarily a Toyo Tread Pass car, but this is one of our builders, and it looks pretty dope, so we invite him. We got Crispy, we got OMGBUILDS, we got Taylor Media, you got Renz. How do you guys work to be a professional like where we are now? I know a lot of aspiring video, photo. Want to ask that question. How do you become Crispy Media?
You cause a lot of chaos in Ocean City, Maryland. When you get a car show shut down. Step one. Step two,
Nice.
repeat for the next 4 years. I have everyone hate you for that. No, I don't know. A lot of my stuff was like cold calls. People said they're afraid of it or don't want to do it, but that got me some of my best jobs I've ever had.
Wow.
Most recurring clients, just like walking in and be like, yo, you guys need something? And then they told me no, and I did it anyway, and then they liked it, and then they hired me.
Wow. See that? I did the same thing. We did a lot of freebies stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's just the crappy part of starting in the industry is no one knows you, and you got to do a lot of free stuff so you can get your name out. What about you, Justin?
Kind of the same thing. Networking is like the biggest thing. Like meeting new clients, going to car shows, asking to shoot their cars, shooting it for free just to get the content out there, and then staying consistent, you know, pushing yourself daily to get better.
That's right. What about you, Ren?
What's the question again?
That's why he's a photographer. Womp womp womp. This is blown, but Renz did a bunch of freebie stuff too, huh, Renz?
Yeah, at first I starting for free, and then starting just asking about cars and their friends, and you know, with their friends just started hitting me up.
Bro, you talk to cars?
Huh? No, the car owners.
Just kidding.
And then my account just kind of went up like 6 years ago, and then kind of just plateaued. But the right people were following me. I had good friends. We had the right connections, and now we're all sitting together and just going. It also helps to be nice to everybody, not burn any bridges, even if they screwed you over or whatever.
Oh.
Eventually, stuff will come in handy.
Right.
Just one hand wash the other, whatever it's called.
Yeah. This industry is insanely small. Everyone knows everybody from here to Japan. So if you burn someone,
Yeah.
everyone's gonna hear it.
Yeah.
And you can't be lazy. You know, this guy wakes up. He's the earliest guy to wake up in our group. He wakes up at like 5 a.m. or something.
I
Goes
wake
to
up at the
SEMA.
time you told me to be there.
Yeah, it's like, you
I
know.
followed the rules.
I'm Filipino. We run on Filipino time. But he wakes up early. He's not lazy. I mean, we stay up late and we work twice the amount of hours most people do. And we put out crazy content. So, yeah, don't be lazy and you get to where we're at. I mean, we're not like the biggest in the industry, but
Nah, but like some people don't want to wake up for sunrise. But like, bro, just get up another 2 hours earlier and your shots are gonna look so much better.
that's right. Justin never wakes up.
I wake up all the time. We're always
What
waiting for you
time?
guys.
Ah, no way.
I've been waking up this whole trip at like 7:38 to at least get some edits done, and then going to the show whenever you get busy get up.
Renz never gets up.
No, I've been sleeping.
This guy never gets up. But photo is easy. All he has to do is apply settings to every single one.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Turn up the shadows and clarity a little bit.
Sounds about right.
Little S curve on there.
What's harder, photo or video?
Video.
Not even a question. What do you mean?
Video, really?
Of course videos are. Sorry, Rams. Of course videos harder.
Oh.
AI art.
Ooh. You
how
think?
much do you bring with you, Renz, to this trip? A backpack?
Probably more than you guys.
What?
Oh, the lights. The
You
lights.
know what?
You got the lights.
Not more than me.
Nah, we're probably almost on par.
Whoa! I'm about to. You guys got to check out this angle or this view. Look at that. Where we're going right now, guys?
Like bed.
Yeah. We're going to bed. The lake bed.
What are you thinking about?
Mhm.
You're going to bed.
I just know it's gonna be dry. That's all I know. That's why we got Renz.
You know why I like working with Chris is he does not bitch and he gets the work done.
I'll bitch when I'm done though, and I'm texting you later.
This guy's been bugging me for like 2 weeks for songs, for an edit.
Yeah, because I'm gonna do it, and then you're like, I don't like the song, and I gotta do the whole thing over again.
Oh
Might
my
as well
god.
do what you like.
Justin is a complete bitch when he doesn't eat.
I haven't asked.
That's
one
fair.
of
That's
you.
fair.
See?
I haven't
I
asked
respect
one
it.
of
And Renz, when he's angry, he's just quiet.
you. Like right now.
What was the question?
That's funny. The beast. Look at this thing. This is like a full-on robotic monster. We got the Adro Supra for drone. Let's go, let's go. We have a pretty good cadence right now, so all the cars are going up and down. We got Hikaru right here from Moontech. He's gonna go up and do drone stuff. We got this crazy FPV drone. You'll probably hear it. It's like a friggin' Terminator. It's pretty wild. But we're gonna do more rollers that way, and then by around 3, we're gonna go to the middle of the lake bed and make some dust. This is a 07K, right?
Yes, sir.
God dang, what the hell? Crazy dusty, dude. Well, these R888s are not meant to be off-road tires, but they are today. PPF held up pretty well. Dude, look at this. It's all dusty. I'd love to see this thing get washed. It's gonna take them like 3 hours to wash. I'm telling you guys, we do some pretty fun stuff here at Toyo Tires. And that's why I rock Toyos on my car. Oh, look at the little drone! It's above me. Oh. So wild, dude. I say that's a successful shoot, everybody. We're gonna come back next year. SEMA 2026, Toyo Tires, Ghost Town shoot.